Today we're going to make an origami masu box, sometimes called a blintz box, because it starts with the blintz base. This origami box is easy to make from one sheet of square paper. You can make a lid to fit using the same method. I'll show this at the end as well. If you don't know how to, or if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'll show you right now how to get one real quick. You take a full sheet of paper of any size, fold it diagonally like that, nice and even. Then you're going to take and cut off all of that and unfold it, and you'll end up having a square sheet of paper afterwards. I've already taken and done that with a whole bunch of them to make it easier ahead of time. If you're a child doing this, get a parent to help, parent or an adult to help you to cut them. Alright, now we're going to take and we're going to fold it in half. Nice and even. And you're going to unfold that. You're going to fold it the other way in half. So I'm going to take it the other way now and fold it in half. Nice and even. Okay, and you're going to unfold that. You're going to flip it over so all the creases are upwards. You're going to rotate the paper to a diamond shape. Then you're going to take and you're going to fold the bottom corner up to meet that center. Nice and even. The more even you get your folds, the more better your end product turns out. You're going to repeat the step on every single corner. All right. Now we're going to rotate it back to a square. And we're going to fold the bottom edge up to the middle. Line it up with here, here, and the point. Makes it easier. You're going to do that top edge the same way. So you're going to fold it down to the center. All right. Then you're going to unfold those last two folds you just did. And then you're going to fold the left and right edges, so these sides to the middle, like you last did. So do the same thing. Line it up with the side. and the middle. Unfold it, turn it around, and do the top. Just like that. You're going to unfold those. And you're going to unfold the left and right sections as well. Then next you're going to fold the top and bottom edges to the middle. So use those creases you made and fold them up to the middle. Just like that. And open up the middle section and fold the left and right section upward as well. So I'm going to take and open it. As you open it, you kind of are going to do that with it. Do the same with the other side. So we're going to take and open that up. And then you're going to bring the right section up and over to the middle. So you're going to fold it right across with the previous folds you made. Make sure you got the there we go. Make sure it opens up properly. And do the same with this other side. And then there we have the box. Now the Origami Masu box or Blitz box is now complete. Just to make mine stay and last, I'm going to take a piece of tape, put it right in the center there. You don't have to, but it makes it stay together better. Now, for the lid, you're going to take another square sheet, you're going to pretty much do the same process with a few small differences. You're going to do all the same creases at the beginning, so fold it in half both ways. That way. And then this way. Then open it up so the creases are upwards. Now you're going to fold the corners again to the center. There we go. Got all four folded to the center. Now, this time when we fold it up to the center, you're going to leave a little gap. So don't fold it right to the center. Take it and pull it down just a bit less. instead of going right to the center, leave a little gap. And do the same with the other side. There we go. Now we're going to unfold that. And you're going to do the other side the same way. Fold it up, but not quite to the center. Leave a little gap. And the other way. And unfold that. Then unfold one of the sides. And then you're going to fold that up, fold the bottom, up, and then you're going to want to take oh shoot, no. You're going to take and flip it over. Or wait. So you open it up to here and fold it in. And then we open out the middle of the box. And then you're going to do what you did last time. Fold it up, fold it over. And do the same on the other side. Fold it up and fold it over. Then you should have a lid for your box. I'm going to take and tape that as well on the inside, so that way this one lasts longer as well. And there we go. That's the end of it. So there's the bottom, first section we made, and there's the top section. Mine's a little loose, so you could probably do a little less than what I showed you, but it still holds pretty good. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.